So far, I love this thing. I mean, look at that. It knows what check engine light. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. Welcome to this beautiful motorsport. My life is fun. Now, today is the final day to get this car on the road. Today is going to be its maiden voyage. Now, I am pressed for time. And of course, I have to do a million things. I won't get the car ready completely like I want to, like cleaning inside, shampooing the rugs, and all that stuff. However, I'm going to do the best I can in the time crunch that I can. Like, I'm taking care of the rocker panel, the headlights restoration, and installing everything back together. So it's going to be time crunching work, but I have to get it done because I only have like a day, really, like 24 hours to get this car ready for inspection, inspect it, and then get her on the road so it could serve its purpose as a family odyssey. Enough blabbing, let's get to work. All right, so here's a little update. I put on the fender real good, nice and tight. Clean up most of the leaves here, good lord. And then I fixed the headlight, it's nice and tight, it's not going nowhere. Oh, it has nothing. It had nothing in there. I think because of the hit here, it drained out. Thank God. So the radiator has been completely changed. This is the new one. Everything is tidy. Got the new brackets. Actually, that's the old bracket. This is one of the new brackets. It's in there, nice and tight. Everything's in its place. Anything wrong? So now I can finally start to reassemble everything. Alright, so this is the progress. I put the bumper in. It's nice and tidy everywhere. Put the white thing and then the bowl right here. You can see it's nice and flush. Paint matched perfectly. This is way better right here. It's really tight. It's sticking out how it's supposed to be. Just like here in the OEM, sticking out. So I put the new clips. I bought a whole pack of new clips. Put this one on the side right here. Same thing. And everything's good. Alright, so this is the next day. As you can see here, it started to smoke a little bit. I'm guessing the oil is starting to get out in the intake. So I let it burn off a little bit. Take off this air intake. Notice more damage here. You gotta remember, this same thing happened to my G35. Be very careful because this might have just ruined this entire build and hydro-locked my engine because it did have water inside the little grooves right here because I did the pressure wash and I didn't know that was broken right there.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, now usually you do polish and then you seal it, but I left all the polish solvent. I have the polisher and everything, but I left the solvent. So I want to see if you can skip that. To go on the road. I was gonna do an oil change, but it's getting dark already, and I don't want to stay here because I have to look for parking in my house. So I topped up the power steering fluid, which the power steering pump goes on and off, so I'm guessing it's gonna go out. And this one I'm gonna leave it for next time. I topped off the brake fluid as well, and I topped off the windshield washer fluid. And she has oil in there, old, but it has oil. So she passed inspection, baby! She passed the salvage inspection and, well, not the regular inspection yet. She has a check engine light, but we already know the problem. I think it's that broken air intake grommet thingy. But look at my setting in the back there, like, full of stuff. I still have to do a lot of stuff like when I get home and put those tires in and finish that installation and cleaning this thing. This thing is filthy. But yeah, pit stop. Popeyes! And the mashed potato, I guess.
Mashed potatoes.
Yes.
Anything else?
No, that'll be all. Appreciate it. Thank you.
You want
So far, I love this thing. I mean, look at that. Beautiful. You know the chicken is like. But man, look at this thing. I love this the setup. I have the full thingy here, so I have everything on there. I have the DVD. I have the DVD right here. Ah man, I have the GPS. I mean, it's outdated, but still there. I think it looks super cool. I don't have to get like no other screen, but once I might get the Android one, but for now I rock this one. And check this out. In my other cars we have cup problems, but here no problem. We got 2 here, we got 4 here, and this thing right here in the center console, and more here and more in the bottom. And this thing I think has like 8 or more. Correct me if I'm wrong, but man, that is comfort. All right, I'm almost home, and I took this thing for an almost 3-hour ride for its maiden voyage. And man, oh man, I am truly impressed with the quality built of this Odyssey, man. The gas mileage is great, but yeah, it needs a little maintenance, it needs a little love. When you accelerate, the steering wheel shakes, and when you brake, the steering wheel shakes. If you guys know the real answer, please let me know in the comment section down below. But overall, this thing is great, and I'm thankful to God that the engine is great, the transmission is great, it shifts perfectly, nice and awesome. It's mainly going to be a family car, so you won't see it too much here, but here and there you will see it. God bless and stay prayed up. Peace.